let's have a look at the topic of currency exchange with financial maths. Now, that is the topic that comes up very often in your exam, and as well, not only in junior cert, but in leaving cert as well. So let's see. Jane buys a laptop online for $699 plus a shipping cost of $30. The exchange rate is $1 to 0.9 of a euro. So we have to work out the total cost to Jane of buying the laptop online in euro. So now when it comes to conversion, because that's what we are looking at, I know it can be done in a lot of different ways. I'm not saying no. However, the method that I am showing is very easy to follow and it is applicable in really a lot of different situations. So how does it work? So we have to make sure we compare like with like. So in this case, what we know is $1, 2, and then we have euro here and euro here. So 0.90. Now, the cost in dollars is what? 699 plus 30. So together, if we add that up, is 729. And then we are saying, well, we don't know how much is that in euro, therefore 0. So how do we solve that? We cross multiply. And it doesn't matter which way you're going to do your multiplication. The point is that those two values have to be multiplied and those two values have to be multiplied. So 1 multiplied by x will be just x. And then on the other side, 0.90 multiplied by 7 to 9. Now, I could write it the other way around. I could say 0.90 multiplied by 7 to 9 equal x. I could say 7 to 9 multiplied by 0.0 equal, whichever way we want to go, we're going to get the correct answer. And usually in conversion, there are two things that will happen. Either we just multiply or we divide. Now, like I'm saying, you can figure it out on your own. However, with this method, you kind of don't have to be bothered how to do it. That method just works. And like I'm saying, not only for euro, not only for currency exchange. We can convert anything into anything. So then when we put that in the calculator and press equal, we get 656.1. So that is the cost in euro of buying the laptop.